Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing my review of the Saily eSIM. You can follow along using the link to Saily in the description below. So let's get started. You're probably wondering why you need an eSIM and how it differs from a physical SIM. It's a new alternative to roaming, making using the internet while traveling much more convenient and affordable. It serves as a digital counterpart to the conventional embedded SIM card. Saily is a product developed by Nord Security, the company known for creating NordVPN, one of the most widely used digital privacy tools in the world. Interestingly, eSIMs share similarities with VPNs. They're both designed to provide users with a dependable connection, especially when away from home. While a VPN safeguards your privacy across various networks, an eSIM ensures a secure and reliable internet connection during travel. Firstly, eSIM offers internet access while abroad. Activation can be done before you depart, which I recommend. The setup is generally quite straightforward, and if there is an issue, there's 24/7 support available. Well, at least on Saily there is, but you probably won't need that as I've got you covered with a tutorial later on in this video. Anyhow, eSIM also eliminates the hassle of seeking out local SIM cards and helps you avoid potential tourist scams. eSIM is available in most countries you might consider traveling to. Saily just started its business and already covers over 150 countries on all continents, making it a truly global eSIM. eSIMs are usually cheaper too, especially when compared to data roaming charges. Take T-Mobile, for instance, where a mere megabyte of data can cost you up to $15. Compare that to Saily, where the starting price can be as low as $2.49 a week for 1 gigabyte. The difference speaks for itself. The likelihood of sluggish speeds is a common concern with traditional data roaming. By connecting you directly to local networks, eSIMs ensure optimal speeds. Additionally, they offer heightened security by eliminating the need to rely on unreliable public Wi-Fi networks, enhancing overall safety during your travels. Overall, there are plenty of advantages of eSIMs over physical SIMs. What makes it worth considering though? As one Reddit user said, "You get what you pay for," and what I got was a speedy connection. This wasn't really surprising, knowing that NordVPN is known for its speeds. I expected the same from Saily. With that in mind, Saily is definitely worth consideration. If you decide to get it, you'll need to know how to use it, right? First, find out if your device is compatible with eSIM. To do that, go to the Saily website, select "What is an eSIM" at the top, then click "Check if your phone is eSIM compatible" right here. One thing to keep in mind, mobile phone purchases from specific countries like China or Macau might not work with eSIM. Next, check if Saily is available in your destination country by clicking on the yellow "Choose Your Destination" button. If you have found your destination, you can proceed to download the app on your phone. It's easy as it's available on Google Play and the Apple Store. After signing in, choose a data plan and follow the instructions to install the eSIM card. By the way, I recommend activating the plan before you depart just in case you don't have internet access when you arrive. That's it. You're set for your trip with Saily. Overall, the Saily eSIM card had a smooth start as a new player in the market. It's already a great choice, especially for beginners, as it's really easy to set up. With a few improvements I've mentioned, it could rise to the top quickly. So if you want to get it, I've provided the link in the description for you.